Welcome to the Smart Building Center, an energy efficiency innovation space for the commercial building operations industry. We offer state-of-the-art training and meeting spaces, educational resources such as this training video, and our tool lending library offers a wide spectrum of monitoring and diagnostic tools available to borrow for free. So today I want to talk about some of our indoor air quality testing tools. Of course, indoor air quality is such an important consideration in building operations because it can really impact occupant health, comfort, and safety and productivity. So here we have a particulate counter made by Graywolf, and this will detect particles of varying sizes and log that over time. And then you can download that data to the WolfSense software, which comes with the meter. And we have another video detailing how to use that meter and the software as well, which provides some robust analysis capabilities. We also have here the DirectSense 2 indoor air quality meter. This meter will detect for carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, formaldehyde, ozone, nitrogen dioxide, total VOCs or volatile organic compounds, as well as temperature and humidity. And we also have another video detailing how to use this in various applications. And for this instrument, you typically use a mobile app on a smartphone. And we also detail that in our other video on our YouTube channel. What I want to show today is how to download that data for a little more robust analysis into the WolfSense software. So first, let's take a look at what capabilities the WolfSense mobile app give us. We can see what's being recorded live, and we can also do data logging and look at graphs of each different parameter. So now that I've exported the data and have it transferred to my laptop, I can open up the WolfSense PC software and do a lot of things with that data. There are a lot of options here. And I can open my data file from the DirectSense indoor air quality meter within WolfSense and create a graph. I'm going to go ahead and first off create a graph from the data. So I click on this tile here, create a graph. I'm going to choose a trend graph. You have other options as well. And then I'm going to go ahead and find the data file on my PC. Here it is. And it'll bring up the parameters that have been captured within that data file. So I'm going to go ahead and just graph all of these here. I've got carbon monoxide. I've got total VOCs in parts per billion. I've got CO2 in parts per million. I've got ozone, parts per million, HCHO, that is formaldehyde, and I'm going to go ahead and also do the relative humidity and the temperature here and create a graph. Okay, and now you see we have a nice graph here with also the data visible, and this is a little more robust than being able to only look at a graph of one parameter at a time on the WolfSense mobile software. So you can utilize this feature within WolfSense on the PC. We can also export the data to Excel. So I'm going to go ahead and export this file to Excel. I'm going to choose the file. I'm going to save it as an Excel file. I'm just going to go ahead and save it to my desktop here for now. And there I have the data file, and I can go ahead and open that up into Excel and do all sorts of other analysis with it, as well as create graphs in Excel. Now you have some other options here. Especially useful is you can compare location files. Click this tile here. You can either compare multiple log files, which share a common time period, Or you can look at different days in the same log file. Select your time range and the parameter you want to look at. And then you also have, within that option, you have some comparative stats that you can look at and graph for a specific time period across multiple days in the same log file. So those could be very useful. You also have an option to do comparative stats that will look at a specific time range in a location file and generate some statistics. So please feel free to check out our other tutorial videos. We have other indoor air quality testing videos as well as energy efficiency, all sorts of tutorials for our tools related to building operations. And you can also check out our website at www.smartbuildingscenter.org for tool library resources, trainings, and to check out our tools.